During my time working in restaurants, I've observed the one-sided review process and the impact it has had on not only the restaurant but the people that work there. I built Kickback as a two-way channel to allow a restaurant to respond to a guest review by adding their own counter review of their experience with that guest. For login, sign up, and review capabilities, I created a Postgres database using SQL Alchemy. One challenge I faced was initializing a connection between my tables to allow for the functionality of Kickback. I wanted a guest user to leave a restaurant review, a restaurant to leave a counter review on that guest in response, and then I wanted that response displayed on the guest profile page for them to read. I was able to achieve this functionality by using SQL's relationships and allowing access to related tables through a primary key. On establishing these relationships, I was now able to show a certain review linked to that user and display these across the app. Having two different types of users, a restaurant and a guest, I needed to create separate functionality and templates to showcase the different capabilities of that user. I chose to handle this by writing my own logic that kept a guest and restaurant user separate. When a restaurant logs into their account, the Flask route queries my database to check the credentials and see if they match an entry. They can see all the reviews about them through the established relationships for my data models that reference a review about the particular user in session. Within the review cards displayed is a hyperlink that directs a restaurant to review that particular guest. Thank you for listening to my presentation on Kickback today. I've created a review platform using Python that allows for transparent reviewing among user types. For more on the development of Kickback, feel free to follow the GitHub link in the video description.